There's a man around the corner, he's been asking me for change, and I could use some. Think I could use some sometimes. All these things slow me down, like the concrete that's been sticking to the bottom of my shoes. Soles worn and tired have started wearing through. I can feel them heavier now. There's a hole here in my pocket, it reminds me of the ways I am hungry and always running for an open door. But on the highway, heavy-hearted, humming just to hear a sound. Loneliness, it lingers through unfamiliar towns, all of them stunning, and none of them home. And I don't know if I live like this for peace of mind. Can't say if I do it for the foolish pride, or maybe it's all just to prove that I'm alive. I'm alive, so I tell myself I'm brave, and I swear that I'm bold, but I'm afraid it isn't so. Maybe I'm nothing more than alone. Am I running just to run? 'Cause sometimes it seems running is all I've ever done. But is there something more to settle for that I've given up? Does this fickle heart feel trapped in love? Is there something more to settle for? Have I just given up? Does my fickle heart still believe in love?
Oh, Brother Thomas, did you walk away from Jesus, wondering if it was all a dream? Did all your doubts creep back and tell you that your fingers hadn't ever touched a single thing? 'Cause I've read that story so many times, when you healed that man, he could see perfectly again. But in between it reads that all we saw were menace trees, and that's all that seems to cloud my vision. 'Cause all the friends I have never, ever met you. Does that mean that they deserve to die? But I heard once that you came here as love for all of us, not to pull the wood from out of our eyes. My mother, she was always working in the yard, growing life from your sun and from her dirt. So I would read those words, but nothing ever seemed to grow except my lonely brother's hurt. Oh, holy preacher, did you ever think that maybe there is more to life than dying in a pew? Isn't this whole world just hell enough for all of us? Do you have to murder them for all the things they do? 'Cause all the friends I know have never, ever heard you speak, and I know that when you speak it brings up life. So would you pretty please come speak to all of them and me, growing us collectively into your wife? So lead me to the mountain, write it out on those stone tablets, what it is that you decide's the truth. But I think I want my hands to bleed from loving, not from condemning. Yeah, isn't love what he would have us do? 'Cause all my friends and I, yeah, we have stolen, we have lied, and we have looked upon each other full of lust. But you carried your cross when it seemed like I was lost, so I know that you can carry all of us. Yeah, you carried your cross when you knew that I was lost, so I hope that you could carry